Well, hey everybody, be sure to get on your big television screen and go to YouTube and put photographer images and watch my latest video about the sword-billed hummingbirds in Ecuador. You can see the full-length video on my YouTube channel, Photographer Images. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Photographer Images. If you've ever dreamed of visiting Ecuador, and especially if you like birds, well, this is the place. There's just so many species of them. This is one of the best places in the world. If you have any questions about visiting Ecuador, leave them in the comments. And visit my website, photographerimages.com, where you can order prints.